Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to download Twitter X videos on iPhone easy tutorial. So if you want to download the videos that you've seen on X or Twitter, then this is the right guide for you. So first, find in a video that you want to download, for example this one. Then you should be able to see the small icon here onto its bottom right. So there should be an option for you to go ahead and copy the link for that. Once the link is copied, head onto your browser here and find this specific website. So you'll just have to go ahead and search sstwitter.com and you'll get redirected here wherein you could go ahead and paste the link. Then right after, simply click on download. So it should go ahead and prepare the video for you. Just wait for this one and you should be able to see the different options to download it. So there are different file formats. You could also opt to convert this to MP3. So just choose the format that you want to go ahead and download this, and then right after you'll just have to wait for this one to start downloading onto your device. And that is how easy you could download Twitter X videos on iPhone easy tutorial. And a quick reminder for you, don't forget to check the links in the description for extra tips and helpful resources just for you. If you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next videos.